This is a crankcase pipe. The crankcase pressure increased so dramatically that it essentially like lifted the cap up and let oil spill out. And it also blew out this seal here on the valve cover. This was caught like basically right now, so that hadn't happened yet. So I got to see just the beginning of it, if you will. But if that keeps going, it will contaminate the motor. And then you need the turbo and the engine. So that's why I'm hoping they go for it, because right now we're okay, we're safe.